As the Civil Service Commission has given the green light for the 4-day work week for all government officials and employees in Metro Manila, it is now up to government agencies if they will adopt the said system. Civil Service Chairperson Francisco Duque Jr. said CSC itself is still undecided in taking the lead in the implementation of the new scheme. This report.
It will take some time, maybe even longer than the usual, for government to address the worsening traffic situation in Metro Manila. Just imagine 5,000 kilometers of roads in Metro Manila to service the flow of 2 million vehicles and still growing. Traveling on public transport or private vehicles has been very demanding. It affects performance and productivity. Because of this, the Civil Service Commission will implement a 4-day work week for all government officials and employees in Metro Manila. This will cover 500,000 civil servants. Civil Service Chairperson Dr. Francisco Duque clarified the scheme will be voluntary, not mandatory. For now, the Civil Service has yet to decide if they will set the example as the first government agency to adopt the 4-day work week.
We provided in the policy a list of items the agency should monitor during the implementation of the 4-day work week. An evaluation report must be submitted to the CSC 6 months or earlier after the start of implementation. This would allow us to have a more accurate assessment of the benefits and disadvantages of this scheme and determine the viability of implementing this for the longer term.
The decision of the Civil Service Commission was based on a survey of 1,644 respondents from more than 62 agencies in Metro Manila and Region 4. Of the 4 preferred work arrangement presented in this survey, the 4-day work week ranked number 1 with 1,174 in favor. Agencies who decide to adopt the said work week schedule must submit to the CSC a notice of intent and certification. The notices should be posted in front of the office premises and the agency website. There should be a 1-month transition period to ensure services of the agency which adopted the 4-day work week will deliver sustained services. An evaluation report will be submitted within 6 months to determine if the work schedule had a positive impact on the employees of an agency. There are, of course, exemptions who cannot adopt the said schedule.
The agencies that have to respond 24/7, to maintain public safety, public order, public health, they're not included. Okay, so PNP, health, firemen, emergency PNP, emergency response groups or teams, they can't be included in this.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddie Abando reporting.